Caring for diabetes symptoms in women. Hello, good morning and welcome to our diabetes control. In this video we will talk to you about caring for diabetes symptoms in women. But first, we remind you to subscribe to our channel, activate the bell. Make the video look good and share it with all your friends. In the video we'll mention you, 1. Caring for diabetes symptoms in women. 2. Statistics of women with diabetes. 3. Symptoms of female diabetes by age. 4. Tips to manage your diabetes. 5. Complications. 6. What sexual problems can women with diabetes have? 7. Gift, the best tips for diabetes. 8. Statistics video gift, diabetes in different countries. Stay at the end of this video, you will know how to prevent diabetes. Let's get started. Diabetes is a serious chronic disease that is triggered when the pancreas does not produce enough insulin, a hormone that regulates the level of sugar, or glucose, in the blood, or when the body cannot effectively use the insulin it produces. Diabetes can be very difficult, especially for women. The burden of diabetes in women is unique because the disease can affect both the mother and her unborn children. Diabetes can cause difficulties during pregnancy, such as an abortion spontaneous or that the baby is born with defects. Women with diabetes are also often at higher risk of having a heart attack, and at a younger age, than women without diabetes. Women with diabetes need to be aware of more things. Take care of yourself by checking your blood sugar often, eating healthy foods, and being physically active so you can be as healthy as possible and feel your best. Some of the complications of diabetes in women are more difficult to diagnose. Hormones and inflammation act differently in women. More than 80% of diabetes deaths are in income countries low and medium. Almost half of these deaths are among people under 70 years of age, and 55% to women. WHO projects that deaths from diabetes will double between 2005 and 2030. If you are a woman with diabetes, you may experience many of the symptoms of a man. However, some symptoms are only experienced by women. The more you understand about these symptoms, the better you can identify diabetes and receive early treatment. Does diabetes affect women differently because of their age? In young women, 10 to 18 years. Puberty and adolescence make it harder to treat and control disease, as is generally the case with other chronic diseases in this stage of life, sometimes motivated by age, and sometimes by the hormonal changes associated with growth. At any age, the days before menstruation there is a tendency to increase in blood sugar, mainly due to variations in estrogen and progesterone that are produced at that time of the menstrual cycle, causing some insulin resistance. Women of reproductive age, 18 to 45 years, type 2 diabetes will be the majority at this stage of life in terms of frequency of diagnosis, but the proportion of type 1 diabetes is higher than in older ages. Gestational diabetes may occur, which has a tendency to recur in successive pregnancies, up to 45% of cases, and predisposition to suffer type 2 diabetes over time increases risk by more than 60%. It is more common in obese women with a family history of diabetes type 2, over 35 to 40 years old, with gestational diabetes in previous pregnancies, with polycystic ovary syndrome. If you previously have type 1 or type 2 diabetes, there may be a drop in fertility, and increased risk of pregnancy complications. To avoid them or reduce their frequency and severity, adequate control of diabetes before and during pregnancy is necessary. See other published articles previously in the Journal on Diabetes and Pregnancy. We congratulate you for continuing on this diabetes control channel. Feel free to leave your questions in the comments. Let's continue. Women over 45, this is the age of greatest risk for the onset of chronic disease. Diabetes or hypertension, often associated with changes metabolic effects of menopause, overweight and obesity, and sedentary lifestyles. With menopause, the protective effect of estrogen disappears, equating cardiovascular risk to that of men in the general population, but in women with diabetes this risk is even greater. Most of the time the diabetes that appears is type 2, and many times it is you don't know that you have diabetes. How does diabetes affect older women? The metabolism changes with age and is characteristically different after of the 60s, generally slowing down. With less capacity of digestion and assimilation of macro and micronutrients. As we get older, our body experiences a series of changes at the physiological level. Sleep cycles are altered and our defense barriers become a little more sensitive, among others. These changes cause some diseases to affect us in a way different. In the case of type 2 diabetes, there is a clear difference between how it develops in young and older people. Among the older ones, some of the symptoms go unnoticed, because considered part of the normal aging process, and are sometimes even undetectable. We would appreciate it if you could help us by subscribing to our channel, as free for you and motivates us to keep making more videos like this that help many people find a solution to their health problems. Subscribe, activate the bell to receive the notification of a new free video every week. Let's continue. Symptoms of diabetes in women. Symptoms unique to women include vaginal and oral fungal infections and vaginal candidiasis, urinary tract infections. Female sexual dysfunction. This disorder occurs when a person produces a greater amount of hormones. Increased thirst. Increased hunger. Blurred vision. Nausea. Some women are concerned about whether the pregnancy is safe. The good news is that you can have a healthy pregnancy after a diagnosis of type 1 or type 2 diabetes. But it is important to manage your condition before and during pregnancy to avoid complications. If you are planning to get pregnant, it is better than your blood glucose levels in the blood to be as close to your target range as possible before this happen. Your target ranges when you are pregnant may be different from the ranks when you're not. When you're pregnant, blood glucose and ketones are transported through the placenta to the baby. Babies require energy from glucose just like you do. But babies are at risk for birth defects if your glucose levels are too high. If you transfer high blood sugar levels to your unborn baby, you put it at risk for conditions including cognitive deficiencies, developmental delays, high blood pressure. We've arrived at your promised gift. Suggested treatments. At all stages of life, a woman's body presents obstacles to controlling diabetes and blood sugar. Tip 1. Some birth control pills can raise blood glucose. To maintain a healthy blood glucose level, ask your doctor about switching to a low-dose birth control pill. Glucose in your body can cause fungal infections. Over-the-counter and prescription medications are available to treat infections fungus. You can avoid possible fungal infections by maintaining better control of your blood sugar. Use insulin as prescribed, exercise regularly, reduce your carbohydrate consumption, choose foods with low glycemic index and control your blood sugar. Tip 2. A low glycemic index diet can improve metabolic control in type 2 diabetes. Diabetes Freedom is a program that has all the information about how can reduce the symptoms of diabetes. This plan talks about the tricks and techniques you can use, as well as diet you should follow to lower your sugar levels, get markers of healthy insulin and maintain optimal blood glucose markers. The strategy revolves around a natural approach that has been learned by studying in-depth 21 different research papers from institutions of renowned as Harvard University. One study has found that this program has been effective for 9 out of 10 people who have followed religiously. If you have diabetes, then you should be aware of how scary it can be, the disease. Do you want to improve your health, reduce the risk of further damage? If so, you may choose a program such as Freedom from Diabetes. This is a complete and natural program by George Riley and James Freeman that works by showing you what to eat and what not to eat, as well as other tips and tricks on how you can improve your health. This program does not is only backed by science, but it's also reliable because it counts with the support of customers who have already tried it. What the Freedom from Diabetes program does is it talks about what food you should eat, when you should eat it, and other health tips for to improve their condition. In this sense, this plan works in 3 steps. Let's take a look at the following. Paso numero 1, restart the nutrition plan. Your body is detoxified of toxins and the functioning of your pancreas is improved. This promotes healthy, controlled blood sugar levels. In addition, this part of the plan also reduces the risk of diabetes and increases energy levels. Not only does it beat white fat, it also increases the fat brown. This helps reduce brain fog and improve mood. To get all these benefits, you are given a series of videos to see that explain how you can suppress your appetite, detoxify your body as well as lose weight. All this is done without sacrificing delicious meals and desserts. Step number 2, the brown fat promotion plan. This is the second step of this formula where you are taught how you can reverse diabetes and its symptoms. As part of this phase, you are informed about the ways you can use to increase your body's metabolic activity. Basically, when his metabolism is in full swing, he's able to burn fat instead of storing it, which helps with weight loss. As part of this step, you will be informed about some amazing drinks that can lower unhealthy blood sugar levels. Other things you will learn in this step include how you can increase your levels of energy, as well as how you can maintain healthy pressure levels arterial. Step number 3, mealtime strategies that eradicate type 2 diabetes. This is the last step in this routine where you are taught how you can lose weight to improve your general health. What this plan does is it talks about the hours when you can consume carbohydrates as well as sweets to reduce the effect they can have on your cheers. Strategies on what to eat for breakfast, snacks and other meals of the day are shared. At this stage of diabetes freedom, you may experience a better sleep too. The Diabetes Freedom e-book has many features that make it presented as a reliable product that can be very useful for your health. The program is completely natural in its approach. It does not force you to take any chemicals or eat any harmful foods that might raise your blood sugar levels or harm your health in any other way. It is also based on extensive scientific research that ensures that manufacturers have not only written a mix of tips and tricks that can help you. You can take steps to prevent or delay diabetes, avoid complications and control their symptoms. Tip 3. Lifestyle changes. Lifestyle changes can help you manage your diabetes, enter them, exercise and maintain a healthy. Avoid smoking. Eat a diet that focuses on fruits, vegetables and whole grains. Control your blood sugar. Tip 4. Alternative remedies. Women with diabetes can try a variety of alternative remedies to control their symptoms, including taking supplements like chromium or magnesium. Eat more broccoli, buckwheat, sage, peas, and fenugreek seeds. Take natural vegetable supplements. Take natural vegetable supplements. Remember to check with your doctor before trying a new treatment. Complications. Diabetes often causes a variety of complications. Some of the complications that women with diabetes should be aware of include eating disorders. Some research suggests that eating disorders are more common in women with diabetes. Coronary heart disease. Many women with type 2 diabetes already have heart disease when diagnosed, even women, young people. Skin conditions. These include bacterial or fungal infections. Nerve damage. It can cause pain, circulation problems or loss of feeling in the affected limbs. Damage to the eyes. This symptom can lead to blindness. Can sexual and bladder problems be symptoms of diabetes? Yes. Changes in sexual function or bladder habits can be a sign that the patient has diabetes. The nerve damage caused by diabetes, also known as diabetic neuropathy, it can injure parts of the body, such as the genitals or urinary tract. When should the patient consult a doctor about his sexual or bladder problems? The patient should consult a healthcare professional if he or she has problems with sex or bladder. These problems could be a sign that the patient needs to control his diabetes in a different way. You may find it embarrassing and difficult to talk about these things. However, keep in mind that healthcare professionals are trained to talk to people about all kinds of cheers. Everyone deserves to have healthy relationships and enjoy the activities they like. What sexual problems can women with diabetes have? Lack of sexual desire and response, vaginal dryness, and relationships. Painful sex can be caused by nerve damage. Decreased blood flow to the genitals and hormonal changes. If the patient notices a change in her sex life, she should consult with her medical care. Lack of sexual desire and response may include not being able to get or stay aroused. Not having enough vaginal lubrication. How can the patient prevent and treat sexual or the bladder? Controlling diabetes can help prevent nerve damage and other diabetes problems that can cause sexual and bladder. Together with your healthcare team, you can help prevent and treat sexual or bladder control problems. It's never too late to start. Making some simple changes in your lifestyle now can help you avoid serious complications of diabetes in the future. Thanks for staying until the end of the video. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Activate the bell so that you receive weekly notification that we uploaded a new video. Don't forget to also give the video a like and share it with your friends. See you in a next video. Subscribe here and write your comment. Bye.